So now example 1.11, they given s is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, the set s, they taken a relation nothing but row, they taken the one of the relation nothing but row is nothing but 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1. So before moving inside a sum, I want to teach you, and I need to say important word in this sum. What is that? First we going to find the cross, that is Cartesian product. S cross S is nothing but 1 2 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3 cross, once again is 1 comma 2 comma 3. The Cartesian product nothing but how we can place 1 comma 1, next 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, next 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 3, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. Next what I'm going to say, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. This is the relation. This is nothing but Cartesian product. Now I'm going to make in using the arrow diagram. This is yes, this is yes. So this is S is also contains 1 2 3, this S is also contain 1 2 3. See here, 1 maps to 1, 1 maps to 2, 1 maps to 3. Therefore 1 maps to 1, 1 maps to 2, 1 maps to 3. Therefore this one is domain, this one is codomain, this one is domain, this 2 is codomain, this one is domain, this 3 is codomain, 2 is codomain, 3 is codomain, 1 is codomain. Even though I contains 1 comma 1, this is domain, this is codomain. This 1 and this 1 is not present the same domain. This 1 and this one is not present the same domain. This one is domain, this one is domain and this one is codomain. So this is different, this is different. The same 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. This 2 is domain, this 2 is codomain, 2 comma 2. This is domain, this is codomain. 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 3. This is a domain, this is codomain, this is codomain. So if we're going to speak about 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, so this is the Cartesian product. In this Cartesian product, they're going to choose a particular order pair only, nothing but row is nothing but what are they given here, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2. Next what are they taken here, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2 and 1 comma 3. Then what are they taken here, 3 comma 1. What do they see here, check it, see 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1. So they have taken only 1 2 3 4 5, only taken only 5 ordered pairs only, 5 ordered pairs elements only, they can taken 5 element only, that's all. Remain they left out because this S cross S, this is the biggest set, this is the smallest set called row, this is the biggest set, this is the smallest set. In this S cross S, I taken some elements which is row. Therefore row is subset of S cross S. This row is subset of S cross S. So this one is domain, this one is codomain, this one is domain, this 2 is codomain, this 2 is codomain, this 2 is this 2 is domain, this 2 is codomain, this one is domain, 3 is codomain, 3 is domain and 1 is codomain. So this one of the typical sum in this, totally this sum is very very different. This sum is totally different. You need to learn this sum very carefully. I am going to teach you very very carefully. So now what I am going to teach you, listen this sum very very carefully. The row is subset of S cross S. In previous I have told 1 comma 3, if there is 3 comma 1, I can choose this one also, no problem in transitive at present, because in this sum they taken 1 comma 3, I can choose 3 comma 1 because this one is nothing but domain, this 3 is nothing but codomain. They taken 1 and 3, no, this is nothing but domain, this one is codomain. So no problem in that. Because of domain and codomain, we can take 1 comma 3, we can take 3 comma 1 also. No, this is A, B, this is B, C. Here A is 1, A is domain, Here 1 is codomain, no problem. I will try to once again see here 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1. While taking transitive, we choose AB, we choose AB, we choose BC. But here, if we are going to see A is also 1, C is also 1, no problem here. Why it is no problem? Because this one is domain value. Because this one is domain value. This one is codomain value. This one is codomain value because this one contains this one is nothing but this one codomain value. So no problem, we can choose this such type of terms also hereafter. Listen students, what I am telling you, hereafter you can choose this type of terms also in transitive 1 comma 3 3 comma, even though A and C are same, we can choose because A is domain, C is codomain value. So hereafter you can choose. Now I'm going to detailedly explain this sum because this sum contains some technical problem in this. Listen here, what I'm going to teach you. I will write once again. What the given relation is nothing but row. Listen carefully. Row is nothing but 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, next 1 comma 2, next 2 comma 2, next values 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1. This is one of the technical problem. Listen here. First I need to show whether this one is relational, but S contains 1 comma 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3. First one is row is reflexive. I need to show. First question, is row is reflexive? No, row is not reflexive. Row is not reflexive. Next what is asking, if not, state the reason. If not, state the reason. Because 1 comma 1 belongs to row. Next 2 comma 2 belongs to row, but 3 comma 3 does not belongs to row. This is a problem here. Here 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 should be present here. 1 comma 1 is present, 2 comma 2 is present, but 3 comma 3 is not present. So 3 comma 3 does not belongs to row. Therefore it is not reflexive. Because the question is such that if row is reflexive, no, row is not reflexive. If not, state the reason. I told the reason. Then what is the question? Write a minimum set of order pairs should be included to row so that it makes it reflexive. To make this relation, to make this as a reflexive, this relation as a reflexive, what I should not add? Adding is nothing but 3 comma 3. Therefore 3 comma 3 should be included. That's all. 3 comma 3 should be included to make reflexive. That's all. This is a first subdivision sum. I think you can easily understand this sum. Next is second subdivision. What is second subdivision? I want to go detailing in second subdivision. What is second subdivision here? See. If row is symmetric, see. Is row is symmetric, see. How I want to check? 1 comma 2. There is 2 comma 1 present here. No 2 comma 1. Therefore row is row is not symmetric. I have told row is not symmetric. If not, state the reason. I need to state the reason. For 1 comma 1, there is 1 comma 1 is present here. For 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 belongs to row, but 2 comma 1 does not belongs to row. So 1 comma 2, we know now what is the symmetry. A comma B means I want to contain B comma A. This A is domain, this B is codomain. So 1 comma 2 is belongs to row, but 2 comma 1 does not belongs to row. Sir, we can check 1 comma 1. If 1 comma 1 belongs to row, the same 1 comma 1 belongs to row. No problem here. This is domain, this is codomain. This is domain, this is codomain. 1 comma 1 is 1 comma 1. That's all. I can able to do anything. So 1 comma 2 belongs to row means 2 comma 1 should be belongs to row. There is no 2 comma 1. Next, there is another possibility. 2 comma 2, no problem. 1 comma 3. For 1 comma 3, there is 3 comma 1. For 3 comma 1, there is 1 comma 3. So both are possible. I will tell once again. For 1 comma 2, there is no 2 comma 1. For 1 comma 3, there is 3 comma 1. For 3 comma 1, there is a 1 comma 3. You want to check first this one. For 1 comma 3. For 1 comma 3, there is 3 comma 1. Check it. Yes, 3 comma 1. For 3 comma 1, there is 1 comma 3. Check it as 3 comma 1. So, what I want to say, since this is the reason for y is not symmetric, what should be included? They will ask next question. Order pairs to be included. If state the reason, write the minimum number of order pairs to be included. Row has to make it symmetry. What should be included? 2 comma 1 should be included. 2 comma 1 should be included For what 2 comma 1 should be included? To make row as symmetric. To make row as symmetric. Then what is the question? Write a minimum number of ordered pairs to be deleted from row as to make it symmetric. What is the question? To make symmetric, what should be deleted? What should be deleted to make row as symmetric? For example, if I delete in 1 comma 2, if there is no 1 comma 2, remove the 1 comma 2. 1 comma 1, no problem. 2 comma 2, no problem. For 1 comma 3, there is 3 comma 1. For 3 comma 1, there is 1 comma 3. So what I need to delete? I need to delete 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 should be deleted. If I delete in 1 comma 2, then row can be symmetric. If 2 comma 1 is included, row is symmetric. If 1 comma 2 is deleted, row is symmetric. There is two chances, deletion or inclusion. So no problem. So this is second subdivision. Next I am going to move towards third subdivision. What is the third subdivision? Before writing third subdivision, I will write the row. It is very useful for me. What is the row given here? 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1. Third subdivision. First I read the question. Is row is transitive? So I need to check whether row is transitive. Row is not transitive. First I will write row. No, row is not transitive. Next I need to state the reason. If not, state the reason. First I am going to take 1 comma 2. For 1 comma 2, I need to check 2 comma. First you know that what is the options here. For a comma b and b comma c, then one I need to search for a comma c. 1 comma 2, there is any 2 comma. See, for 1 comma 2, there is any 2 comma. Here is 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 is present. Listen carefully, I am writing this. Listen very, very carefully what I am doing here. 1 comma 2, I am taking 2 comma 2. Listen carefully. This is A, this is B. The B and C. For 1 comma 2, there is 2 comma 2. I need to check for 1 comma 2. Whether 1 comma 2 is present here? See, 1 comma 2 is present here. Sir, you have taken this only. No problem that. For A comma C, this is A comma C. Yes, 1 comma 2 is present here. 1 comma 2 is present here. So 1 comma, if I am going to take 1 comma 2, no problem. If 2 comma 2, I am going to take 2 comma 2. There is many options here. If I am going to take 2 comma 2, once again 2 should be start here because A, B, here B, I am taking 2 comma 2, I want to take, there is no other element. See, for 2 comma 2, there is no another pair. 2 comma something. If I going to take 2 comma 2, once again 2 should be start. There is no 2 starting, so I can't take this one. Here A comma B and B comma C should be possible. Then only I can move to A comma C as not possible. B comma C is not possible, so I want to leave. 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 2 I also left. Now I am going to take 1 comma 3. If I am going to take 1 comma 3, in 1 comma 3 there is 3 comma 1 also. This is A, this is B. This one is A, see here, this one is A, this one is B. This one is B, this is, sir, 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1. I told no, this is domain, this is codomain, no problem. For 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1. A, B, A, C. Next I want to choose AC. A, B, B, C, I want to choose AC. What is AC? AC is nothing but 1 comma 1. Check carefully, 1 comma 1. So, this is possible. Here transit is also possible. If I going to take 1 comma 3, there is once again 3 comma 1. There is 3 comma 1 is present here, 3 comma 1. So, A comma C, 1 comma 1. So, it is transitive. Next, I need to choose 3 comma 1. Take carefully 3 comma 1. For 3 comma 1, there is 2. For 3 comma 1, I am going to take 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1. Once again, 1 should be start. 1 should be start as 2 numbers. This numbers I can, and this number also possible. First, I am going to take 1 comma 3. If I am going to take 3 comma 1, I am taken 3 comma 1. After I am going to 3 comma 1 means this is A, this is B. Now I am going to take B only. I am taken 3 comma 1. Using 3 comma 1, I am choose this one is B. Where is all B present here? See here, starting number 1. Yes, here present here, here also present. So 3 comma 1, I have taken first to 1 comma 3. I want to check the transitive. For 3 comma, there is 1 comma 3. What should process here? 3 comma 1, 1 comma 3. There should be 3 comma 3. There is no 3 comma 3. It's not transitive. Another option also, for 3 comma 1, I can take, for 3 comma 1, I can take another one. See, 1 comma 2. This is A, this is B, this is B. What should process? 3 comma 2 3 comma 2 should be possible. 3 comma 2, there is no 3 comma 2 also. There is also another number also. See, for 3 comma 1 I can choose 1 comma 1 because this is A, this is B, this is B. 3 comma 1, there is 3 comma 1. See, yes, 3 comma 1 is present here, so this is possible. So this both is not possible. You need to take each and every element. So if I going to take 1 comma 1, there should be a start. If I go see, I take 1 comma 1 also. 1 comma 1, I am choosing this one. 1 comma 1, here 1 comma 3. This is A, this is B, this is B, this is C. What is AC? 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 is present. Yes, 1 comma 3. This is also transitive. If I take 1 comma 2, if I take 1 comma 2, where the 2 starts, 1 comma 2 means I want to start 2. This 2 not starts, 2 not starts, here 2 starts, 2 comma 2. Now only I showed 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 2. This also transitive. This also answer 1 comma 2. Yes, 1 comma 2, this is also transitive. Like that we need to check each and every element. After taking 1 comma 2, I want to choose 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2 is B comma C is not possible, so I not taken. Next 1 comma 3 I have taken. 1 comma 3 I have taken. I choose the 3 comma 1. This is also possible. After 3 comma 1, there is many options. This is one of the option 3 comma 1. This another option 3 comma 1. This another option 3 comma 1. For 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 1 comma 3. 3 comma 1, 1 comma 2. 3 comma 1, 1 comma 1. For the 3 comma 1, 1 comma 3, if you are going to choose 3 comma 3, there is no 3 comma 3, not transitive. Yes, many are possible. If one option is not possible, also not possible only. If this is true, this is true, this is true, this is true. Therefore, one combination this is not true means totally not true only. So what is it? This all explanation given to you. This all explanation given to you. First, what I want to do, I want to write. See, this all you don't need to write. After writing this, write this one. 3 comma 1 belongs to row. 1 comma 3 belongs to row, but 3 comma 3 does not belongs to row. Next, this one. 3 comma 1 belongs to row. 1 comma 2 belongs to row, but 3 comma 2 does not belongs to row. This is the main thing you need to learn. 3 comma 2 does not belongs to row. See, therefore this is not transitive. So what they are asking next question, if not state the reason, write the minimum of order pairs to be included to row, so make it transitive. What should be added to make it transitive? 3 comma 3, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 2 should be added. 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 2 should be included. Should be included to make it transitive. So I written 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 2 should be included. Next question, what should be deleted to make it transitive? What should be deleted? So where this one is possible transitive, this is transitive possible, this is transitive possible. Where it is impossible, these two things impossible. In which one is impossible? See, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1. While taking 3 comma 1, both the things taking 3 comma 1 is impossible. So what I want to do, I need to delete 3 comma 1. These all possible transitives. These two only not impossible transitives. So what I need to do? So 3 comma 1, 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1 comma 2. In both the combinations, which one is repeating always? 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1. So 3 comma 1 is the problematic one. If I take in 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1, this is a problematic one. So I need to delete 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 should be deleted. So this is a clean observation and clean idea given to you. What you need to do. If you do it, but these are unnecessary only. But to make it to understand, these are needed to you. Then only you can easily able to understand. This is the included. This is the deleted. So next, what I want to do, fourth subdivision. What is the fourth subdivision? The given is nothing but if row is an equivalence relation. No, surely row no. Row is not equivalence. Row is not equivalence relation. Row is not equivalence relation. So always we will do one thing. What are all included? What are all not belongs? For example, if you are going to see symmetric, this is 3 comma 3 and 2 comma 1. You should speak only included. You should not included. Next, after that 3 comma 3, 3 comma 2. 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 2. these are to be included because these are not belongs. No, this is not belongs, this is not belongs, this is not belongs, this is not belongs. So if these elements are be included in the ordered pair, then you can say equivalence relation. Always you do like that only. But in this some confusion starts here. Wait, I will tell what is the confusion. Okay, students, listen. This is a given relation rho in question itself. To make an equivalence relation, to make this an equivalence relation, what I need should be added. See, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 1. So, what are these elements? These elements, if 3, 3 is added, it becomes, see, if 3, 3 is added, it will be reflexive. Next. If 2, 1 is added, then it is symmetric. This only. There is no 2, 1. So, 2, 1 I need to add to make a symmetric. Next. For this one, transitive, 3, 3 and 3, 2. Already I have written 3, 3. So, don't need to write 3, 3 once again. So, I am going to add 3, 2. I added 3, 2. So, 3, 3, 2, 1 and 3, 2 is added. So, now I need to check whether it is a symmetric reflexive transitive. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Yes, reflexive. For 1, 2, that is 2, 1 is present. Yes, 2, 2. No. For 1, 3, that is 3, 1 is present here. Is 3, I am checking for symmetric. 1, 2, I need to check for 2, 1 is present. For 2, 2, okay. For 1, 3, there is 3, 1. For 3, 1, there is 1, 3. 3, 3, no need to check because 3, 3 is present. For 2, 1, 1, 2 is present. For 3, 2, there is no 2, 3 present here. See here. I will tell once again, listen carefully. For reflexive, 1, 1, because set is 1, 2, 3, no. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Yes, present here. Next goes second subdivision. I need to check for symmetric. For symmetric, what I want to do? For symmetric, something 1, 1 means 1, 1. 1, 2, that is 2, 1. 2, 2 means 2, 2. 1, 3, that is 3, 1. 3, 1, that is 1, 3. AB means BC, no. 3, 3, 3, 3. 2, 1, 1, 2. 3, 2, there is no 2, 3. Then how it becomes symmetric? If it is not symmetric, then how it become equivalence? So, I need to add 2, 3. This is the main thing you need to learn. No sum in this exists like this. This is the only sum, very different model. If we are going to add 3, 2, that is 2, 3. Then only can be symmetric. For 3, 2, there should be 2, 3. In symmetric, when you pull the reflexive in a symmetric transitive, we are not done anything for 2, 3 here. Then you can check transitive also. If you are going to check transitive, it's surely transitive only. Since it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, this new relation is called equivalence relation. Therefore, to make equivalence, what are added? 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, and very, very important, 2, 3 should be included. Should be included. This is the main thing. 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2 and 2, 3. This is very, very important. All will forget this. Should be included to make it as a transitive. If it is, make it an equivalence. If we are not going to put 2, 3, symmetric unsatisfies. If not going to put 2, 3, symmetric unsatisfies. If symmetric unsatisfies, we can't able to prove equivalence relation. So now to make symmetric satisfy, for 3, 2, I need to put 2, 3. So symmetric satisfies. Surely, if we are going to check, transitive also satisfies. If anybody can't able to say, sir, transit is unsatisfying, you come, I will teach you once again how the transit is satisfied. I want to take 1, 1, I want to take 1, 2, that is 2, 1, 2 is present. If you want, I will show one thing. I am going to take this one as 1, 1. In 1, 1, I want to take 1, something. How many 1 is present starting here? 1 to 1 2. That is 1, 2 and 1, 3 is present here. These two combination 1, 2. So I get 1, 1. Okay, so 1, 2 should be present. 1, 3 should be present. See, 1, 2 is also present. Check here. 1, 3 is also present here. A, B, B, C. Therefore, AC, 1, 2 is present. A, B, B, C. If we are going to check each and every element, surely will contains. For example, I can take 3, 2, 2, 3 also. 3, 2, 2, 3. 3, 3. Yes, 3, 3 is present here. So, for all the things, it is very, very easy. So, this is an important sum only. If you are going to see theory part, you don't need to write theory as it is given in the textbook. Write properly. Finally you can write in tabular column also, included, deleted. First one is reflexive, next symmetry, next transitive, next equivalence. For reflexive we don't need delete, nothing but 3, 3 is answer. For symmetric, what we added nothing but 2, 1. What we need to delete? We need to delete 1, 2. For transitive, what we added 3, 3 and 3, 2. 3, 3 and 3, 2. 3, 3 and 3, 2. What we need to delete? 3, 1 we need to delete. 3, 1 we need to delete. This is 3, 3 and 3, 2. Deletion there. For equivalence, we added equivalence for this all. 3, 3, next 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, and main thing 2, 3. There is no deletion part in equivalence also. If we are going to write this is very easy to correct and put the answer. They will not see anything inside what you have done here. They will not check anything. If you are going to write this properly, they will correct the answer and put a 5 mark sum. That's all. There's nothing to do. Okay. If you have any doubt in the sum, please contact me. I'm ready to teach you and ready to explain you somehow better than this. Thank you.